Okay.
No bullshit, Stephen A. No bullshit, honest answer.
I don't bullshit.
No bullshit.
I don't bullshit.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Do you,
Okay.
Stephen A., eat ass?
Oh, shit.
No.
You don't eat ass. That's an honest answer.
I don't
no?
have. No, that's
You've
that's
never
a God's
eaten-
honest answer. Never.
Why you bumbuckler lying? Why you always a lie for? Jesus Christ, stop bumbuckler lying.
Never. Have you gotten your ass eaten?
Never. That's private.
Oh!
Nasty bitch.
Yes!
That's private. Hey, that's private.
I have nothing else to say.
That's a yes!
I have nothing else to say. I have nothing else to say.
What? Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.